Hi all, this is Param. Okay, in this video we are going to see a kind of introductions, okay, about fleet, what is fleet and integration. Obviously, as I told, so a new set of data ingest, right? It's a new way of data ingest within Elasticsearch. So earlier we were using logstash, or sometimes we are using different beats, okay. In addition these two, so, we are now they have this new feature, that is what called Elastic Agent. So to support the Elastic Agent, some of the components has to be run in the Elasticsearch cluster, and some of the apps has to be in the kibana, right? Okay, so in addition to that, so obviously I have covered what is Elastic Agent. Obviously Elastic Agent will be installed in the target server, okay, but I have explained about the fleet server also. Fleet server, I have what is the role of them, okay. Okay, so see here I have put some of the integrations, okay. These are the integrations, okay, we call as integrations, okay. Instead of that, let me say system integrations, okay. Okay, so I have explained explained a detailed introduction about the fleet server and what its role, how to be enabled, that these fleet servers going to run in the server side, in the cluster side, okay. Fleet server is going to run in the cluster sides, okay, how things are. Now there are two apps within the kibana. There are two apps within the kibana, okay. So we will see what is a fleet and we will see what is a integration. So there are two kibana apps is there, okay. I will explain to what is the fleet. So obviously this is one of the app, like in the left side we can see, right, uptime, APM metric, something like that, right. So similarly visualization dashboard, similarly in the observability category you can see that uptime, okay. Similarly you can see that fleet and integrations, okay. So now we are going to talk about the fleet. So fleet means what is now? Fleet is just a combination of these four, sir, okay. Okay, this combination of four. So one is it will have one or more agent. So that is what it has separate tab, in fact, okay. It has separate tab, in fact. I think I can show that image here. No, yeah, here, yeah, you can see that. Okay, see here the fleet is one of the app within the kibana. Okay, it has four tabs. That is what I am going to explain here. So it will have one agent tab. So there we will have one or two agents. So obviously we how many target machine we want to monitor. So that many agent has to be there. Okay. So if I want to monitor something, okay, yeah, around 50 machine means, then obviously I will have 50 instances of Elastic Agent will be running in that respective target machines. Okay, those status or health status, everything will be displayed here. Okay, so agent has to be enrolled. I said how to enrolled by the in the first video, Elastic Agent video. So second thing is policy. This is what very okay. Before that, let me cover here. Okay, so we can generate one or more enrollment tokens. Okay, we can generate here. You can see that the enrollment tokens. Okay, it is just it's kind of free. Okay, you can create any number of enrollment tokens. Okay, but appropriate to that token has to be any one of the token has to be given to what? Given to Elastic Agent, but one policy will have one agent, one enrollment token. Okay, that's how my experience. Okay, but I have not generated more than one enrollment token for a single policy. Okay, I don't see anything. Sorry. Okay, so usually one enrollment policy will have one enrollment tokens. Okay, that token has to be given. Okay. Okay, then data streams, obviously. So all the data pushed into the data streams. See, data stream what? It is a collection of time series data. Okay, so that is stored in the many index. All those many indexes called by single name. Okay, so there will be only one write index, remaining is only read index, right? That is what data stream, right? Okay, so Elastic Agent push the data into the data stream only. Okay, okay. Now I think I have explained the enrollment tokens, data streams. Now I will talk about the agent policy. Okay, yeah, okay, agent policy. Here you can see that policy, obviously policy what is not just it is managing. Okay, it is managing. So it can one policy will have one or more integrations. Okay, one policy can apply to the many Elastic Agent. Okay, that means many servers. Okay, so here yeah, the benefit of what is the benefit of what is so let's say I have the same policy, I have one policy It's enough to my use case, okay, to have the same policy applied to many elastic agent. Let's say, as I told you, as I told you, as I have 50 machine, okay, in the 50 machine I have installed elastic agent, okay. Among 50, it's the same policy going to be executed for minimum 20 machines, right? 20 elastic agent. Then at least I can define a policy, they call it agent policy. Okay, that policy can be deployed across 20 agent. That's what. That is a benefit, na? Okay. So policy, what it will have? Policy, what it will have intent, one or more integration. That's it. That's it. Nothing else. Okay. By default, in a system integration is already enabled. Okay. So it will push the host in host logs and metrics. I have tried. I have pushed it to my Elastic cloud. Okay, from my local machine, and it's synthetic integration. Okay. Earlier we call it uptime. Now they are saying it's synthetic. Okay. Since it's browser also has added. Okay. That's why. Then it can be anything, say another thing, APM integrations, okay. It can be like anything, okay, NGS index. So I think as of now there are 70 plus. Okay, there are 70 plus as of now. As of now, there are 70 plus integration available. 70 plus integration available for production. Okay. Sorry. Okay, there are 70 plus integration available. So that is what about the fleet. Okay. So here you can see that policy means what, managing settings or integration everything. Okay, or settings across the group of elastic agents. Yes, and they may contain any number of integrations. Yes. Okay. In a policy, okay, in a policy, and any number of integration for the collecting observability data from various services running under your host, that is target host, your host for the target host. Okay, that's all about the fleet. Okay, fleet here you can see, right, fleet. Okay, in the agent policy, there will be displayed, this default policy will be there. Okay. So from the policy, it will take us to the integration page, or we can directly move to an integration page. Okay, directly move to integration page. This is a monitor. Okay, yeah, this is a integration page. Here you can see that browser integration and installed integrations. Okay, with a particular policy. One policy will have one or more integration. That's what I have said here. Okay, one policy, one policy can have one or more integrations. That is what very important. Okay. Let me highlight it. No. Okay. Okay, one policy will have the one or more integration. So that's why that's why we often navigate from particular policy to integrations. Okay, so here you can see all the available integrations. So even they have put all the category. So you can select whatever we want, whatever integration we want. Okay, then we can add here we are adding synthetics. Okay, we can add. See the available configurations, it will be differ based on the integration which we select. If it is synthetic, these are the configuration. If it is log, there will be path. Okay, if it is APM, that will be like LS server something. There will be many things. Okay, similarly. Okay, so what is now this page is once you select a particular integration from the browsing, you will get the high level idea. Then they will have buttons to add particular integration to the particular policy. Once you download your policy, okay, that policy will be saved in Elasticsearch fleet event for fleet index. Okay, here, say it will be saved here. Then it will be pulled again. This also two-way. Then this also two-way. Okay, so it will be pulled by the fleet server and pushed into the Elastic agent for the latest configuration or latest any integrations. Okay, whatever integration, let's say assume that we have only 4. Now we have added then synthetics, that synthetic integration dynamically added. Okay, this integration can be added dynamically. That is a beauty. That is what beauty. Okay, so you can add any integration dynamically. So once you install the agent, after that you don't need to log into a target server. That's it. Once you install the agent, you don't need to target, you don't need to log into the target server again for any for related to any elastic agent. So everything we can do in remotely from the we will have kibana IP, kibana web screen, and push it to that. Okay. Okay, that's all about the fleet and integration. Yes, so obviously integration is actual integration means that is our actual monitoring data set. So in integration we will give the actual data set, right? Okay, it could be a log data set, metric data set, or it could be a log file, anything. Okay, so integration only give the actual data set. So it is an atomic unit, I would say, like with respect to policy. Integration is an atomic unit with respect to policy. Yeah, integration is an atomic unit. Is atomic unit with respect to fleet policy, agent policy. Okay. Yeah, then integrations we will see. There are 70 plus integrations already there. Okay, comes with built-in. Okay, I'll tell you. Okay, the integrations. Okay, so that's all about the fleet. That's all about. This is what I want to explain the fleet. Now I will talk about the integrations. I think I can do that in the next video. Thank you.